the word of restoration. Say with me, restoration. In John 9 verse 25 to 27, standing near the cross were Jesus' mother and his mother's sister Mary, the wife of Clopas, and Mary Magdalene. When Jesus saw his mother standing there beside the disciple he loved, he said to her, "Dear woman, here is your son." And he said to this disciple, "Here is your mother." And from then on, his disciple took her into his home. You know what? One of the power nga gimanifest ni Lord in the shedding of His blood in the cross is the power of restoration. Some of you here nasabtan og nadawat ni mo ni katong time nga nag-encounter ka. And I want you to know that is one of the very reason why God shed His blood. Why? Because He want to restore you. You know what? I don't know exactly, my friend. I don't know exactly what makes you broken. To be honest, kitang tanan dere, literally, we are broken in the inside. Tanawon man siguro ta sa gawas, hamis, way pakay, but in the inside, grabe, buak kayo. Isa na lang kasagiran, murang ma-shattered na jud ka into pieces. But whomever believes that in just one drop of the blood of Christ, that brokenness can be whole again. You know what? God has the power. Naigahom ang Ginoo ba nga to pick every broken piece of you and make you whole again. In what way? Give it to Jesus. Maybe tonight maunay kulang igsuon ba? Dili question, okay? Dili gud questionable. Si Lord ba na ay gahom mo restore? Yes, naa siya gahom. The problem with us, gitipigan nato atong mga broken pieces. And God cannot restore you kung hantud karon gihawiran nimo na igsuon. The reason nga nang in pain gihapon ka karon, naggunit man kag bildo. Diba? Every time mo gunit ka og bildo, masamaran ka ba? Wa ka bantay nga hantud karon nasakitan gihapon ka, nasamaran gihapon ka, ngano man naghawid og bildo. That's why if you want to be whole again, give it to Jesus. Give it to Jesus. You deserve to be restored. I don't know exactly unsay na restore sa unsay nabuak sa imo igsuon. Nabuak siguro imong pagtuo. Nabuak siguro ang imuhang dreams, imuhang hope. I don't know exactly what is broken in you tonight. Or maybe some of you here, you are suffering this pain from a broken home. Okay? You might be suffering this pain made from a broken home. But ingon sa Malakay 4:6, we receive the promise of the Lord. He will turn the hearts of the fathers to their children and the hearts of the children to their fathers. Nga naman, kasi promise ni Lord, i-restore imong pamilya. All that you need to do tonight, give it to Jesus. Offer it to Jesus. Walay lain Ginoo, walay lain nga makahikap sa ilang mga kasing-kasing, walay lain makapa-change sa ilang kasing-kasing, but only God. All that you need to do, surrender everything to Christ.